Hello, myself Mayur Rathod. So, because of the pandemic situation, all the students and working professionals are facing an issue of hectic time schedule because of this online mode of working. So, for students are attending a long hours of lectures in a day, and during the ongoing lectures, they cannot take the notes because of several reasons. So at the time of their study, they find it difficult to again go through the whole video lecture to understand a single topic. So if they get an facility to get the context or the proper short information about the topic discussed in that lecture, then there is nothing greater than that. So for the working professionals, so a professional person attend a lot of meetings with their clients and colleagues in a day. So at the end of the day, he become confused about what points are discussed on which meetings. So this summary generator helps him to get the summary of a meeting so that he can revise the topic or the decision that can be taken in that meeting. So he get a some short summary kind of thing from with the help of my application. So let's see the view of this. So by taking this issue into consideration, I have made this summary generator application. So let's take a view of it. So this is our home window. Then after clicking the about button, we'll reach towards the about section. So here I have only added the information about the technologies like deep learning, NLP and computer vision that I have implemented by in making this application. So after clicking on our services button, we move towards the main part of the application, which is our services. So here I have included three types of services by considering the different scenarios for the students. So here the first service is to generate a summary by taking video as input. So here we take the uh, video input in the form of mp4 file and generate a summary. The next service is speech to summary. So here a user can directly record his speech and at the last we generate a summary out of it. The real-time example is that if an instructor record his own voice and at the last he get a summary out of it. The third service is pdf to summary. So most of the times teachers are giving us a lengthy notes to so that we can extract the information out of it. So to generate a short form of that note, we can use this service also. So let's see the all the three services one by one. So I am clicking on this card. So first service is video to summary. So we need to choose a file. So here I am choosing .mp4 file and just uploading by clicking on that submit button. So at the back end, this file is uploaded on one folder, and from that folder our app.py file fetch this file. Then it will with the help of movie library, audio from that video is extracted. Then with the help of Google's speech recognition library, that audio is recognized and converted into text file. Then that text can be uh, on that text NLP techniques and the other summarization techniques are applied and at the last summary generated. So these things can be done by our T5 based transformer model. So this is the working is going on at the back end of this application. Okay, let's see what are the results. So here we get the summary in the right side of window. The summary is grammatically also correct because the transformer is trained on a lot of real-time data, so the accuracy of our overall model is also good. So let's see the another next service, which is speech to summary. So here by simply clicking on this mic we can record our audio. So let's see the second type of service, which is speech to summary. So here only we need to click on this mic once and our recording is started, and at the last we'll get the result out of it. So I am now recording. The Seven Habits of Highly Effective People embodies many of the fundamental principles of human effectiveness. These habits are basic, they are primary, they represent the internalization of correct principles upon which enduring happiness and the success are based. But before we can really understand these seven habits, we need to understand our own paradigms and how to make paradigm shift. Both the character ethics and personality ethics are the examples of social paradigms. The word paradigm comes from a Greek word. So it was originally a scientific term and is more commonly used today to mean a model, theory, perception, assumption, or a frame of reference. In the more general sense, it's the way we see the world, not in terms of our visual sense of sight, but in terms of perceiving, understanding, and interpreting the world. For our purpose, a simple way to understand paradigm is to see them as maps. We all know that the map is not a territory. Map is simply an exploration of certain aspect of the territory. That's exactly what a paradigm is. It is a theory and explanation or the model of something else. This is how the summary is generated. You will get summary out of it. Service is speech PDF to summary. So here we need to give the input in the form of .pdf document. So let's see how it works. So here I am choosing one PDF document, and just by clicking that we can upload that document in the respective folder. So the document, our let's see our PDF document that I have uploaded. So this document contains 4 pages. So this is how the document look like, and let's see how lengthy our summary is generated. So this is the result of our PDF to summary service. A four page PDF document can be converted into this much lines of summary with the proper accuracy of the text. So at the last, the address and contact details are given. So this is how our summary generator web applications look like, and this all application is deployed with the help of our EC2 instance. So with the help of instance type DL1 as per the requirement. So because of that, our training time reduced gradually, because on the Windows it takes more